Welcome to the new Impress Computers client portal. Instead of sending in an email, you now have a faster, easier way to request support, track progress, and see all your open tickets in one place. You'll receive an email from Impress Computers with the subject, "Welcome to the Ink Impress Computers client portal." This email includes your username and a secure link to set your password. Click the link in the email. It will take you to a secure page. Create a strong password, confirm it, and click Save. From now on, you can log in anytime using your username and password. After you sign in, you'll see your personalized dashboard. Here you can quickly see how many tickets you have open, tickets you created, and items waiting on your approval. You'll also see charts showing tickets created and completed by month and a breakdown of open tickets. The Open Tickets panel lists your current requests. You can see the ticket number, description, and status. To create a new support request, click the New Ticket button. Give your ticket a clear subject, then describe the issue in detail, what's happening, and when it started. If it's about a specific device, include the computer name, serial number, or any details you know. You can also attach screenshots. When you're finished, click Submit. Your ticket is instantly logged. To see everything about a specific ticket, click its number. Here you'll find the ticket details. In the Activity section, you can read updates and add quick notes. All communication stays organized inside the ticket instead of getting lost in long email threads. The client portal gives you clear visibility into your IT support, what's open, in progress, and completed. Watch for your invitation email and set your password. If you need help, contact Impress Computers.